of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the varied thrush. Varied thrushes are stocky songbirds with dark gray upper parts and this nice rusty orange on the throat, belly, wing bars, and eyebrow. It's a good looking bird. They're famous for their strange song. It's a series of long whistles described as buzzy, metallic, and flute-like. It's awesome. They're found in thick, damp coniferous forests along the west coast. In the summer, varied thrushes are mostly insectivorous, but in the winter, they'll eat seeds, nuts, and berries. Tune in next week for another